Let's clarify the boilerplate for our video. So here is the boilerplate for our project. Of course it will go bigger with time. There is nothing wrong with that. Yet there are two important things to notice here. The index.html file is out of the public directory. Do you know why that? Well, if you wanted to put this project in your portfolio on GitHub and make it active on GH pages, then you have to know that GitHub pages will not be able to directly read the position of your HTML file unless it's in the root directory. Of course, there is a workaround for that and you can easily know it, but why the suffering? Just let it here and everything will work fine, no matter how complicated is your project. Let's go into the public folder. So I made a JS folder that contains app.js, a style folder which is empty, but why? Actually, as you know, we will work with Sass, and then we will convert our Sass files into CSS. We can't do that manually, of course. So we will use a VS Code extension called Sass Autocompiler. In the next video, we will know how it works and why we use it. If you already know that, you can skip the next lecture knowing that we will only convert style.scss file to style.css file and add it to the HTML head tag.